General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's knock this workout. Okay, so I did yesterday, but I didn't put the date on it. 9/22/25. Today's the 23rd. Let's see. Oh, I do want to have dues. So nothing tomorrow. Yeah. What was the framework for today? It was kind of unclear for me. I was sidelined. Low reason, price delivery, signature scene. Unseen, we took the high on CFD, but not futures. So I didn't sell. I was waiting for the high to be ran on futures, but noting CFD, S&T. Here we go. From now on. Yeah, take a week. Not yet. No, let's see the daily delivery. I didn't. No trade today. It was an inside day. What would you need to be true to engage with time level trigger? Need a run on liquidity. Preferably daily, higher low, 2 pair orders. Entering good kill zone with confirmation of the anchor point. What did price deliver today? CFD S&T note, CFD S&T note. I don't know if I can write on top of this. Yeah, that doesn't work like that. If the next thing, if I see CFD S&T again, I will feel more confident in taking the sale because I won't be waiting for a solid liquidity run that was not needed. Hold on. Let's go here. Nas. Ticker Nas. 115. See, took it here in London. Hold on. But we didn't take it here. So that kind of threw me off. But I'm charting this all the time, so I notice it. I'm executing on the other because this don't move. The other one does. So this one feels more true because it doesn't adjust for contract differences. And we got bullish S&T, but this should be, I'm going to label this. Then we pushed all the way down. We came way down here to fair value. This is like last line of defense order block right here. Being retracements here makes sense. Matter of fact, hold on. Let's do default on this box so I can grab the correct candle. Here. It's this down candle. This area has my interest. Hold on. For and just the sell side liquidity. So here, inside, put it on the right. Current interval and below. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see it come here and then drop down. Looking to sell retracements here. To target Monday's low. That's a nice low hanging fruit setup. Not too much. Got equal highs here. Dangerous game. Then we also got the drawn liquidity right here for sale side. So this will be our long term objective. There is no news tomorrow. This the H1. We didn't break anything here. Hold up. This is not a bag. This is an interesting level because we already broke through it and it kind of looks like an order block here that needs to be tested. And this open price is a good fair value for selling area and it's paired with the inversion fair value gap. So let's take this border off. Let me give myself a middle line here. Selling retracements. I wouldn't target the high just yet. This CFDST needs to be on all time frames. Just so I can see where I need to take it off at. See this hour chart. Yeah, the hour is good enough. I do like this buy side objective. My objectives are good. This is a field projection, and this is just key level liquidity Friday. Monday's low first, Friday's low second. Nice logical setup here. We don't have a real swing, 3-bar swing low here just yet. So if we do drop, take Monday's low, then start building, it'll be a retracement idea up. So tomorrow we have a good setup for the execution day. Let's go here. That would be a plus. Selling retracements to Monday and Friday's low would be a plus. If we take Monday's low and CSD, then retracement objective. Hold on. Objective idea would be buy to sell. Let's go to the daily. Last high broken, CSD, but still inside. It does make sense to go lower. I don't like this high. Because it's a down candle. We do have us a tiny little implied fair value gap here. Let's do this. Just a fib. 50. EQ, and then here. So that was kind of respected here. Um, so that was respected. We want to see price kind of close through that. And that weak out with a down candle, we don't like that either. Thinking lower. And I'm watching the respect of the implied fair value gap. I'm interested if we do continue lower. Will this level flip and act as resistance? And then I'm gonna go back and fix the spelling because I'm trying to get the idea out. Thinking low and watching the respective implied fair value gap, which will this level flip and act as resistance? Yeah, it's interesting. Let's go here to silver. Silver did what I thought it was gonna do, but it was actually a good call on the bread and butter. Hold on. I ain't execute that one though. I kind of seen it because it was like London. We did that, retraced up, but look at this delivery. We even respected the level, which was cool. But now I'm looking at it like it's not very strong. This is the first Asia that didn't hold anything. So breaking this Asia would take us to this Asia. This is an old monthly high. We don't have no news tomorrow either. Beautiful displacement, beautiful high. Reselling this down to here is an idea. Just this. I don't know how I'm going to color this. Red, and then middle line, pink, maybe. Either way, this area to these liquidity levels makes sense. This Asia session, we have equal lows here. We want to buy in premium. Let's get. This is our dealing range. Boom. Then we did this low. We dropped with this low. So this is our range. This is our range that broke lunch low. Yeah, selling retracements, small scalp, and we got this. Here's our weekly open. This is the daily open. I don't need previous. Yeah, let me fix this. This 2 degrees update this thing every 5 seconds. Kill zones. Here we go. I need the weekly open. Weekly open, don't need a daily open. There we go. Week open here. Boom. Tuesday could be Tuesday high of the week. Week open and previous week's highs right next to each other. So this is just a rebalance trade idea. Selling retracements. I like him 15. February gap, OB combination. Let's go to the H1. Let's keep this on the 15. So we came with the fair value for buying. That was cool. We bought here, reacted here, pushed up. It's old daily high, old monthly high. This has already been ran. Because this is here. So let's see. Price note. It's lower. And it's a low with a down candle. Keep this here. Got us a week low. And we have us a week high here. Created with that manufacturing index. I will watch this just because it's the highest up candle in the range. And we already had us a nice reaction here. Let's make this gold or something. Or pink maybe. That'll work. We don't have fair value gaps. I don't like this. No gap. We do got us a tiny gap here. That's it though. We're stuck in this one. The only thing I would even think of is retracement ideas. Coming back up here. Let me just see where this is at. I wouldn't be surprised if we break this again and then start breaking it down. But just for right now, looks like it could be a fast sell. If we retrace, respect this, take out this low. These lows are not that hard to get to. It's kind of low resistance here. After we take out this low, where's the last stop hunt? This low resistance liquidity run. After we take out Tuesday low, it's low resistance liquidity run conditions. 240. What is this? 42.909 for a rebalance. Sell to buy. Let's go here. Hold up. Yeah, this should be. This thing update, I swear. I bet it's like an automatic update or something to where you don't have to do the updates so much. Then what's this? H1 order block. All right, that's clean. Yeah, we got us a sale setup coming, and we do have a nice target here. Yeah, I'm surprised I don't have. It's through here. Yeah. This just looks like stop losses. So sell side liquidity. This candle looks like a manipulation day. This candle looks like a manipulation day. We'll look for sales tomorrow. Wow, hold on. You saw that? This thing just. Bam. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, let's knock out this euro dollar. I need to look at what ICT doing with euro too. Even though he'll flip my whole buys because I'm buying euro. If he be like, I'm selling euro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be stuck. I'm gonna be like, I don't know what to do. That's the mentor. But you gotta fade. You gotta fade your mentor. It's a part of being a trader. This is an inside day. I gotta use 12 to 12. Look at these equal lows here. I thought I had an arrow. Thought I could draw an arrow. Here we go, yum. These equal lows here. If we didn't run this, you can kind of see we didn't take Asia high either. Just a consolidation day. It looks like we're just engineering liquidity, maybe to go lower to retest this, because I think this was a gap or a block. equal lows got my attention. The equal lows got my attention. I want to looking for buys. I think we need discount of Monday's range. Let's go to H1. Hold up. Control M. Okay, that was a breaker block. That we respected. Just take this off. Yeah, we don't need that. I don't know what that is. So this was a high that we took. We sat on it, which was Friday's high. It's Monday's high, we're kind of on the inside. And we have, see how this is kind of lined up with that? Let me see if this is lined up with that. Let's make it yellow so I can see what it looks like. Current interval below. Go back to the 15-minute. Here we go. Yep. Type 2. It lines up with that perfectly. Retrace here. Maybe one more spike, then sell above Monday high. Maybe push above Monday's high. Give us something like that. If we just start selling now, leaving this would be even sweeter because we have double tops here to target. But that's what I'm thinking. Maybe push up here. I don't know what high this is. But I can kind of see the sale happening here. If we push down first, then kind of see that too. We so close to the buy side liquidity. I want to see that ran. Then I can look for a setup to target those equal lows. Okay. Let's look at the daily. See how we hit this, but the equal lows will actually be up under here. So it'll be like, I don't know, maybe, no. Because, okay, that'll work. Just running up under here, catch the early buyers, then push up. The order block level seems weak. we didn't create a big expansion. From opening price. I'm thinking or run previous day low, stop early buyers, and then continue. Boom. All right. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.